All right, let's get started. A learner objective is the end product, or what knowledge or skill do you want the students to be able to demonstrate after the lesson was given. Now the key word there was demonstrate. Demonstrate is a tangible or something you can see. You never want to ask the students to understand something, or at least in terms of your learner objective. So my first advice is never use the word understand or know, because it's not a good way for you to see how well the students actually know what you delivered. So that's my first piece of advice, is never use the term understand or know. Second, I recommend you follow Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy is a sequence of 6 steps of different learning levels. Now, wherever your students are at, which learning level, you can use that as essentially a blueprint for your learning objective. So let's say you're past learning and you're on to understanding a topic. Now, this is right from the standards of first grade mathematics. So let's say you want the students to understand the topic of ordering objects from small to large. Now, a learning objective you can write would be, at the end of this lesson, students will be able to, and then you want to use an action word. So action words are like identify, manipulate, summarize, things like that. Not, I want students to understand the difference. So a easy example would be, at the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify objects that are in order from small to large. Okay, let's say you're onto a different level of learning in Bloom's taxonomy of applying. Now your lesson learner objective would say something like, at the end of this lesson, students will be able to manipulate objects in order of small to large. So you went from understanding to applying. So using Bloom's taxonomy and then using action words that correlate to that level of learning is how you construct your learning objective. And like I said earlier, you want them to be tangible, concise. And my last piece of advice is use your resources. Look up action words for Bloom's taxonomy and just piece it together with what level they're at and then the actual words that correlates. And that's pretty much my advice for writing learning objectives. Thank you.